Hey, it's Kyle with TechnologyAdvice. Hope you've been good and great and good. Let's take a moment and travel back to a video we did about SharePoint alternatives. Now in this video we discussed Google Workspace, Huddle, and Box for Business, which are all still great alternatives, but if we jump back, or maybe forward, either way, if we jump to 2023, we've updated the article and have 3 brand new alternatives to add to the list, starting with Confluence by Atlassian. Confluence is known for its project management and software development tools and being a cloud-based platform designed to help teams create, organize, and discuss work. The software lets you create unique spaces for each of your teams to store work and collaborate in real time. Each space contains multiple pages to capture meeting notes, project requirements, designs, and other assets. Through comments and @mentions, users can stay informed about changes to content and respond quickly to issues. Just keep in mind that the system leans heavily toward software development and project management, so if your team isn't used to requirements, sprints, stories, or releases, Confluence may not be the best fit for your team. Next is Source by IC Thrive. Source offers to help companies automate business processes, collaborate on work tasks, and keep employees engaged. The software comes with document management, team sites, calendars, and enterprise search. But Source also has some capabilities you might not expect, such as its innovative e-learning module, which lets HR managers create onboarding workflows and online training courses. Unfortunately, this vendor doesn't offer on-demand pricing, which could be a drawback for companies with a smaller budget. Finally on the list is Igloo. Igloo works for businesses of various sizes and industries. Their core product offerings focus on improving collaboration and information sharing through blogs, calendars, file sharing, forums, and task management. The software tracks version uploads and offers document previews, but you'll need to employ a separate program like Microsoft Office or Google Drive to create and edit your documents. Pricing is all-inclusive, with special pricing options for custom requirements or enterprise companies. And that wraps up the updated list of the best SharePoint alternatives. If you want to review other options, head over to TechnologyAdvice.com for a free list of project management software. Thanks for watching, and go be good and great and good.